Most people know the feeling of completing a challenge or achieving a goal. That sense of accomplishment, vigor, and excitement is the very essence of empowerment. It's a powerful emotion that doesn't receive the attention that it should. Empowerment makes you feel as though nothing stands in the way of you and success. When given the right tools, it's possible to build or achieve anything in life. To help you out, we at Dherbs have outlined some tools to establish the feeling of empowerment. This week, we're covering the top 5 ways to feel more empowered in your life. Let's get into the madness. Number 1, challenge negativity. Negative thoughts come too quickly, no matter what the situation is. Whether you react to a Facebook post or look at someone on the street, it's easy to think negatively immediately. It's also easy to compare yourself to others, especially if they're doing better than you. Don't succumb to negativity. Rather, challenge those thoughts and rise above them. You are the master of your temple and have the ability to find the power within. When you rise above negativity, you'll find that you have a more positive outlook. Positivity is both contagious and empowering. Number 2, fix it yourself. Isn't it magical when you fix something on your own? There's no better way to experience that, yes, I did it feeling. This can include fixing a vacuum cleaner, putting up a shelf, growing flowers from seeds, or sewing a button on a shirt. The point of this exercise is to push yourself past your limits. When you are able to accomplish something outside of your comfort zone, you feel a wonderful sense of elation. That's empowerment, folks. Use the internet to your advantage to complete any task you want. Build a garden box or repair a car transmission. Number 3, every day is new. This is an obvious statement, but there's a reason why we put it on the list. What we mean by this tip is that you have the chance to start fresh every day. Wipe the slate clean and don't carry past mistakes with you into a new day. Forgive yourself for your faults and accept your imperfections. That's what makes you a unique human. Everyone makes mistakes, and even though some of them can bring you down, there are ways to bring yourself back up. Learn from your mistakes to figure out how to do things better. These discoveries can help charge that empowerment when you're feeling down. Number 4, learn a new skill. There's never been a better time to learn a new language, instrument, or other skill. Some argue that learning something new creates the greatest feeling of empowerment. The reason for this is because every part of the journey is a challenge, uncharted territory, if you will. Whether you start a blog and learn web design or write a book of poems, developing a new skill makes you a more well-rounded person. When learning a new skill, the key is to start something that interests you. Dive deep into your newfound passion, and you'll emerge with a great sense of accomplishment. Number 5, be clear about what you want. If you don't have a clear direction of where you want to go, it's difficult to feel empowered. For example, if you want a new job and you don't know what you want, you'll aimlessly apply for things and you may end up in the same miserable situation. Take your time in figuring out where you want to go. Ask yourself what you want out of this life or what you want to accomplish. Make decisions and moves that lead you to those things. You can even make a vision board or journal to help gain clarity. It's easy to fall into a pit of self-despair, wondering why the world has caused this state of unworthiness. As unwelcome as they are, these feelings are part of being human. We have faith that you can strengthen your zest for life and find the courage to lift your spirits. That's all for this week. Drop a comment below. Tell us how you really feel. See you next week for another Dherbs Weekly Top 5.